Founded in 1995, Syntec has focused on controller and automation technologies, with operations around the globe. Its products are widely used in metalworking, woodworking, laser, cloud, and automation industries. With a team of over 1,000 experts, Syntec delivers professional and responsive technical support. In the panel furniture industry, Syntec provides intelligent control solutions, including label and router machine, beam saw, drilling machine, door and cabinet machine, and central control systems. Through deep integration of smart manufacturing software and controller systems, and with a complete service network, we offer one-stop solutions for our customers' factories, moving together toward digital manufacturing as a trusted partner in smart production. Syntec collaborates closely with ecosystem partners to achieve full integration from design to production. Seamless data flow boosts efficiency, shortens delivery time, and ensures stable quality. With years of experience, Syntec makes the connection of new equipment and new processes smoother, empowering the industry towards smart manufacturing.